Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue in Windows 10, desktop icons not showing up. If you've been experiencing this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the solution. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. This will bring up a context menu. Step 2. From the context menu, select the option called View. This will open a submenu with additional options. Step 3. In the submenu, you'll find an option labeled Show Desktop Icons. Simply click or tap on it to enable it, and there you have it. Your desktop icons should now be visible on your screen. Sometimes, this issue can occur due to accidental changes in settings or other factors. By following these simple steps, you can quickly resolve the problem and regain access to your desktop icons. We hope this tutorial was helpful in fixing the issue of desktop icons not showing in Windows 10. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.